here I am, I'm Alexander Lebedev, and used to be a banker for 25 years. I've sold my bank without any liabilities for a small amount of money a year ago, because a few years ago my bank came under attack from rogue law enforcement agencies. They've opened up a few criminal cases against me, and the clients get scared. So I had to pay out to the clients more than $1 billion. And thus my bank shrinked 20 times. I had to cut all of the branches, all of the infrastructure. And when I sold the bank, I sold it with my own cash and a couple of buildings inside the capital. That used to be the most reliable bank in the country and probably in the world. But lucky I am to find myself in a unique position. I'm probably the only banker in 15 years in this country who, instead of stealing the client's money and then calling it a day, claiming that the bank went into bankruptcy because of the hostile environment, which is untrue, because most of the Russian bankers, and there have been 3,000 banks deprived of their licenses in the recent 15 years, they've stolen probably more than $100 billion. And they went after the money because the money has been, of course, laundered and parked outside Russian Federation. I call that global financial apartheid, which is a part of that, a small part, because every year more than $1 trillion is stolen from most of the countries around the world by corrupt bureaucracies with their cronies and assistants, which are the bankers, of course. There can't be any piece of dirty money which bypasses Credit Suisse in Switzerland. Of course, the auditors take part of that, and of course the lawyers, the best lawyers in the world. They are the biggest protection of the money launderers. So I see DeFi as a possibility to bypass this corrupt banking, auditing, and legal bureaucracies, which helps to launder this $1 trillion every year. But I have a feeling that if we combine our effort and we honestly behave and feel towards each other, and there's a very, very large range of opportunities which decentralized finance on blockchain and stablecoin gives to us.